In this video, we are going to learn how to do a tendu to the back. This uses the same technique we learned for our tendu to the front and to the side. Here's what it will look like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When doing a tendu to the back, it is very important that we remember our proper alignment. Ready to learn it? Let's go! Like the other videos, we will begin by standing in first position with our fingertips lightly placed on the bar. It is key that we remember our proper alignment when doing a tendu, because the tendency when doing a tendu to the back is to let our bum poke out. This is something we do not want to happen. Keep your pelvis straight and your bum tucked under. To do a tendu to the back, we repeat the same process that we did when doing a tendu to the front and to the side. Standing up tall, slide your right foot on the floor, keeping both feet turned out. Continue to slide your foot out, and once your heel has to come off the floor, we roll through our foot, pushing against the ball of our foot, and then to the tips of our toes. When we reach our tendu position, we should be standing tall and pointing our toes as hard as possible. We do the same process in reverse to bring our foot back to first. We release our toes, and the ball of your foot touches the floor and glides back in. When doing a tendu to the back, we never want to lead with our heel. We always want to lead with our toe. This creates the ideal position for a tendu to the back. It is also important that our weight is over our big toe when doing a tendu to the back. We never want our weight to end up on our baby toe, or you will be sickling your foot. Let's try a couple of tendus together. Stand in first with proper alignment. We will start with our right foot and then do our left. Ready? Tendu out, tendu in, tendu out, tendu in. Good. Is your weight remaining over the big toe of your tendu foot? Remember, we don't want our weight to end up on our baby toe. Let's try it again. Ready? Tendu out, tendu in, tendu out, tendu in. Good. We will practice this with the count of 8, just like we learned in our tendu to the front and to the side. 2 counts out, 2 counts in, 2 counts out, 2 counts in. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Remember, we don't want to let our pelvis stick out. If this is happening, that's okay. Pull up tall and try again. Let's now try 3 counts of 8 in a row. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! A tendu to the back is a little bit harder to master than a tendu to the front and to the side. But with practice, you'll get it right. Good luck!